Welcome to your meditation on embracing imperfection. Sit or lie down, however is comfortable for you. Close your eyes and let's begin. Start by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. When your breath is full, slowly exhale through your mouth. Continuing to breathe normally, allow your body to relax into the ground. With every breath, feel your shoulders relax, your chest relax, your stomach relax. Feel your body weighted by gravity. Now, in your mind's eye, picture a piece of art that is imperfect. Notice what your mind has created. Observe this piece of art with curiosity. Notice the colors, the dimensions, the scale. Notice any irregular lines, uneven textures, or anything that feels unfinished. Continuing to focus on this artwork, start to look at its imperfections with a different lens. Spend a moment with each perceived imperfection, considering how each aspect adds to the piece's beauty and character. Notice how each irregularity adds depth and tells a story. Now think about your own imperfections. See how each perceived imperfection is a part of your story. Imagine your own life as an artwork, each imperfection as a unique brushstroke on the canvas of your life. Imagine each one as a feature of your unique beauty and depth. Now repeat to yourself, either in your mind or out loud, I embrace my imperfections. They are a part of my unique story. I am a beautifully imperfect artist. Slowly start to bring your attention back to your body. Take a few deep breaths, slowly moving your head from side to side, slowly moving your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. As you move through your day, remind yourself of your affirmation to embrace your imperfections. You are a thing of beauty. Thank you for participating in this meditation. Come back whenever you need. And remember, imperfection is not a fault, but a feature of all unique things, including you.